Hey, what's up, Theta holder? Theta network is one of my favorite cryptocurrency, but this time Theta is gone down and everyone can sell it. So this is absolutely very big mistake to use sell it, and those days this is not a selling time. Why this is not a selling time? I explain everything about Theta network. This is very important for Theta holders, so don't skip this video, keep watching. But before I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe a basic channel. You know why subscribe is important? Subscribe is very important for YouTube because if you get subscribe a basic channel, then I notify you every good or bad news and every crypto or all cryptocurrency news. So this is very important. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get started this brand video. Okay guys, so first of all I gonna show you the last 1 hour result, and then after I show you the 1 day result. Okay, so first of all you can see here this time that the screen 1 hour result. You can see here the 1 hour result absolutely gone very bad. You can see here the chance is minus 0.58%, but people can say that result that they can decide it to this is selling time, but this is very big mistake all holders. You know why? Because this time if they can gone down, so their end of month, at the end of month they gone up absolutely very fastly like a rocket. So this time this is the start of this month, this is the start of month, therefore they goes down. So this is not a bad news. Okay, this is good news. This is good news for Theta network too, because they can easily beat all cryptocurrency. I hope the Theta network is absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency. You can see here the price of 12. This is after last 1 hour result. You can see here the price is $12.06 this time. This is absolutely make you a good for a millionaire. They can make you a millionaire. But you can see here if we can check out the last 7 days result. Let's check it out the last 7 days result. And I show you the change, absolutely the big change. You can see here this time the price is $13.83, but if you can sell it and those days, then absolutely you get not a profit. Okay, but if you can sell it the end of month, wait for the end of this month. I request to wait for the end of this month. Okay, and then sell it, they can give you a good profit. So this absolutely good. Okay, let's see here the last 1 day result. You can see here the last 1 day result. Let's check out first of all the graph result. The graph result is going down. Why? Because this is people are gone selling. This is absolutely very bad. But you can see here at the start of this, you can see here 24. This is today as a second April. So this is absolutely start a new month. So then you can see here in the graph result absolutely gone up starting. So this is absolutely good for a new holder. You can see here this is the start of month. At the end they can give you a good profit. So thanks for watching, and don't sell it, be hold. Okay, for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.